Hey everyone, and welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to add a Gmail account to your Mac. It's a super simple process, so let's get right to it. First, you'll need to open the Mail application. You can find it on your dock, search for it using Spotlight, or open it from Launchpad. Now, when you open Mail for the very first time, you might be prompted to sign in to an email provider. However, if you don't see this prompt, you might already be signed into your iCloud account, since that's part of your Apple account.
No worries.
To add your Gmail account, click on the Mail option in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Add Account. A window will pop up with a list of email providers. Simply select Google and click Continue. You'll then be taken to the familiar Google sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account like you normally would. Once you're signed in, Google will ask you which services you want to sync with your Gmail account. For this example, let's just sync our email, so we'll make sure only the mailbox is checked. When you're ready, click Done. Your Mac will now start downloading all of your emails. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many emails you have. You can check the progress in the bottom left-hand corner of the Mail window. Once your mail has been synced, you'll see a new Google provider in the left-hand side menu of the Mail app. Click the drop-down arrow and you'll see all of the folders you've created in your Gmail account. Now you can start using your Gmail on your Mac, just like you normally would. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. This was just my personal experience, and links to any relevant resources can be found in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.